Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. Today I really have a fun nail tutorial for you guys, different little elements, pretty cool. So if you want to see how I did them as what you've seen on the thumbnail, go and sit back and relax and continue watching. But as you are doing that, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and go ahead, give me a like if you like what you see. So let's go ahead and get started. So I was scared to do these nails and I decided to just jump right in and do these. So to begin with, I decided to apply a base coat for my nails, and I used Sally Hansen's Blackout and painted all my nails 2 coats of that black. Once I was dry a little bit, I then went and used Pure Ice Coffin Break. I am eventually going to put this on every nail, but first I'm going to put 2 coats of this on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. So as that is drying, I went and jumped over to my middle finger and wedding finger, and I'm going to draw these like the dragon eyes onto these 2 nails. And I use Live Love Polish, Magnetic Polish, Bengal, one of those, and I did the outline of the eye, and I also filled in the shape as well. Like the inner part, the little pink inner part in your corner of your eye, so I decided to do that as well, and I went and used SINFULCOLORS Professional Soulmate and apply that little shape by the end of the eyes for both. Then I went back in with that black and I drew like the little diamond pointy pupil of the dragon, and I used the Sally Hansen's Blackout for that. Then with a little highlight mark, I used Sally Hansen's Tickled Pink, and I just made a little highlight mark on those 2 like inner part sections. So now here comes the interesting fun part. So I wanted the scales on the index finger, pinky, and thumb to really stand out, and also the scales on around the dragon eye as well. So then I used the foundation gel polish by GELISH, and with a small little nail brush, I applied some of that onto the nail brush, and then applied little like round ovals onto the full nail on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. In between making the little bubble dots, I will then put it under my LED lamp, and I put my hand under there for about 30 seconds to harden the dots, and I would do like 3 or 4 dots and then put it underneath the lamp for 30 seconds, do 3 or 4 more dots, and keep going like that. Once you have like the bubble effect on the index finger, pinky, and thumb, I went and did the little bubble effect around the eyes. So around the eye portion is going to be sideways oval, little tiny oval shapes around the eye, and then the other oval shapes like I did on the index finger, pinky, and thumb. I apply that on around the eye as well to make it look like it's like the body part. So I did that for the middle finger and wedding finger. To make these dragon scales like pop out and be in your face, I use Sally Hansen's Go for Gold, and I apply that around each little scale, bubbly scale, on all of the nails. Once I was done with that, something still wasn't looking right on the middle finger and wedding finger where the eyes were, and so then I applied that Sally Hansen's blackout, and I applied it around the eyes portion to make the eye more deep and more popped out more against the gold. And then I even applied a little black in the little bubbles around the eye portion as well, but leaving that gold. And then that is it. So then I applied my favorite top coat, which is the Pro FX Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I applied that to every nail. So this is how my dragon nails came out. You can really see like the 3D of the scales from when I did the gel. So it's really cool, and yeah. So you guys, go down below and tell me what you thought about my dragon nails down below. And thank you so much for watching and sticking it out till the end of the video. And there will be some more videos at the end, so you can check out if you don't want to leave my channel. And also, go down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give me a like if you liked what you see. Like how I did it and everything. So thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you back next week with another nail tutorial. Bye!